a big batch of pumpkin, kamote, and carrots for freezing to be enjoyed anytime in the future. Warm welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden, featuring our harvest this big pumpkin. I won't be cooking all this, just a portion. The plan is to cook this in a big batch, and I'll be freezing each portion. Look at that. No space inside. No seeds. Huh. I hope it's easy to peel. Let me see if this works. No. No. The skin is too thick for that one. So let's patiently peel this with this big knife. I'll get back to you later. Once it is peeled. Finally, we're done. There should be a better way of removing the seeds. Romulo, get a spoon. We need this. No better way than using a spoon. Are you also curious if this has seeds? It's the best part. This doesn't have to be any particular shape. It will be pureed anyway. As long as it's small enough for easy and proper cooking. At this point, we lost the camera. So only one camera works. My apologies. Ideally, we need 3 cups of this. This is more than expected, but it doesn't have to be exact. For me, this is the most difficult vegetable to prepare. It's just hard and heavy. I think we're ready. What else do we need? We need onion and garlic. Thank you for staying there. We're ready to stir fry. Alternatively, you can also grill these fruits or the vegetables and the kamote and just add it in this soup. But we'll do stir fry. Olive oil. I can use corn oil instead. Why not? Still cold. That's what you like. We'll add this. Just onion and garlic there. Now there are herbs and spices that I mentioned, that I didn't mention. We need cumin, turmeric for a brighter color. This is paprika powder, thyme, and laurel leaves. At a glance, here they are. I hope you saw the peanuts. I didn't mention them. I'll add all of this now. I think I can only smell the aroma. And then the 3 cups of pumpkin. I'm going to add the camote and the carrots. The pepper is visible now. We also need this nutmeg, just a pinch. This should be enough. It's an option, of course, for the full experience. I tasted it even without it. It was already delicious. We need 4 cups of water for this, at least. What else do we need? We need pepper, salt according to taste. Salt and pepper, of course, they go together. And this recipe's option is for, instead of water, it also calls for, as an option, chicken stock. I'll be using chicken cube instead, or chicken powder. This I have here. This is essentially still a vegan dish. Okay, let's just boil this, soften the veggies. Let's cook it until the veggies become soft. Soft enough to be pureed. Oh wait, I almost forgot. This dish also calls for or peanuts or cashew nuts for more creaminess, nuttiness or creaminess. Sorry for that. Clumsy. The peanuts will also get soft and pureed along with the entire dish. Okay, see you later. And after 20 minutes, it's cooked and soft. For a smoother experience, or for a new experience, we have to puree it. Let's taste the fruit of our labor. I like it. And voila, I have 4 generous servings for freezing. So anytime in the future, I'll enjoy, or I'm able to enjoy, pumpkin soup, no matter what time of the day. I hope you've been inspired to do the same. And see you on the next videos here on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's where I grow, cook and share.